What are the major arguments against school uniforms?
Hello, dear viewers. In today's video, we are diving into the hotly debated topic of school uniforms. While some argue that uniforms promote discipline and equality, others believe they can impede individuality and expression. Today, we will focus on the latter, discussing the major arguments against school uniforms.
Do uniforms stifle individuality?
Uniforms, by their very nature, are intended to create a standard appearance. This uniformity, however, can often stifle a student's individuality. When every student is required to dress the same, they lose an avenue for expressing their personality, interests, and cultural background through clothing. By stifling this freedom of expression, uniforms may inadvertently discourage the celebration of diversity and individual uniqueness.
What about comfort and practicality?
Comfort and practicality are key factors to consider when addressing the issue of school uniforms. Not every uniform design will suit every student's body type or personal comfort. In many cases, uniforms are not designed with the diverse range of body shapes and sizes in mind, potentially causing discomfort and self-consciousness among students. Furthermore, the cost of uniforms can be an extra burden for families already struggling with school-related expenses.
Do uniforms really improve discipline?
While uniforms are often lauded for promoting discipline and reducing distractions, some studies suggest that there is no significant correlation between uniforms and improved behavior or academic performance. If discipline problems persist despite the implementation of a uniform policy, it indicates that the root cause lies elsewhere, and it's there that the solutions should be focused.
Does one size really fit all?
Uniform policies often fail to accommodate students' diverse cultural, religious, and gender identities. Certain religious beliefs and cultural practices have specific clothing requirements that uniforms may not accommodate. Likewise, gendered uniforms can cause discomfort and distress for transgender or gender non-conforming students. By ignoring these factors, a uniform policy might unintentionally marginalize students who cannot or do not want to conform to traditional gender or cultural norms. In conclusion, the debate surrounding school uniforms is complex and multifaceted. While there may be potential benefits to uniform policies, it's crucial to consider the implications they may have on students' individuality, comfort, discipline, and inclusivity. Remember, every child is unique, and their educational environment should respect and reflect this individuality. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this video has given you some food for thought on the school uniform debate. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.